In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import videos in CapCut PC. To get started, look at the very top left area of the CapCut window and make sure the Media tab is selected. This is important because the Media section is where all of your imported files will appear and stay organized while you work on your project. Once you've confirmed that, move just below that area and click the large grey box with the plus sign that says Import. As soon as you click it, CapCut will open your computer's File Explorer window, which is where you can browse through your local folders and locate the footage you want to use. When the File Explorer window pops up, go to the folder where your video file is saved. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the correct clip, especially if you have multiple versions of the same footage. Once you find the video you want to bring into your project, click on it once so it becomes highlighted. That highlight is your confirmation that the file is selected. After that, go down to the bottom right corner of the window and click the blue Open button. This tells CapCut to import that specific video into your current project. After you click Open, your video will load directly into CapCut's media bin as a thumbnail. This happens almost instantly in most cases, so don't worry if it appears quickly. The thumbnail gives you a visual reference for the file you just imported, which makes it easier to manage your assets as your project grows. A helpful tip here is that you can move your mouse cursor across the thumbnail to scrub through a quick preview of the footage. That's a simple way to confirm you imported the right clip without needing to place it on the timeline first. Once your clip is visible in the media bin, you're ready for the next part of the editing process. You can click and drag that thumbnail straight down onto your timeline track to begin working with it. From there, you can start trimming, arranging, and building your edit inside CapCut, and that's all there is to it. Importing video files in CapCut PC is quick, smooth, and very beginner-friendly once you know where to click. With your footage now loaded into the desktop layout, you're all set to start editing. Done.